This is a live fucking broadcast. You cannot imagine how upset I am right now. Maybe you can, but I'm just saying. This is a live broadcast, okay? Johnny 50, he's my friend, right? I dropped my fucking phone into the litter box, not on purpose. I thought I could set it on the top when I was dropping it, right? Setting it down and I was cleaning their shit out. I didn't realize they could just drop right through the top end of the shit. So it dropped into the shit. Okay, it dropped into the shit. Here's the earphone plug, right? And it's mostly, we're kind of clogged on that corner. It did glob on that corner. So I did what any rational person would do. I threw the phone in the sink and I left it there for like 2 days because there's fucking cat shit on it. I had to make sure it was safe. So when I finally scrubbed the shit off of there, it works fine, except for I couldn't even get the earphone port. I couldn't plug it all the way in, so I was like, wow, there must be a lot of cat shit in that little hole. I can't even get the fucking earplug to plug into that hole. You know what I'm saying? So that I try to spray a little water in there and then blast with the compressed air. I haven't tried to plug the earphone in again. Maybe I should. That's what I'll do right now. I'll plug the earphone in again. If it still doesn't work, I'm smashing Johnny 50's fucking face. And I'm never buying another phone again. Ever. Fuck that. I'll buy a pigeon. Does this motherfucker fit or not? You'd think the shit would just squeeze out the sides, right? I mean, come on. No one ever got a little dust or anything in the fucking speaker port? A fucking break. Still won't go in. Did it go in? Holy shit, it worked. Did it work? What the fuck happened? I don't know what the fuck just happened. Try microphone. Try microphone, see if it works. Hey Johnny, I've got some cat shit stuck in my microphone port. I hope it's working. Can you hear me? Chapter pause. Didn't work. I'm try again. Tap to speak. Hey Johnny, I'm having technical difficulties here. There's some cat shit entered in my my cell phone's microphone port, and if you don't hear me this time, I think I'm gonna just have to smash this fucking piece of shit into oblivion. Can you hear me? No, it didn't work. That's just what I feared. That's what I feared would happen. That's what I fucking feared. Fucking piece of shit. Fucking. The fuck out of here. I think it's broken. I'm not fucking 100% positive. Just in fucking case. Fucking piece of shit. I don't want another fucking phone as long as I live. Meowie? It's okay, baby. I'm not mad at you. I'm not even mad at me. Or not even mad at my phone. I fixed everything. It's all better now. Come here, Meow Meow. Come here. It's okay. Don't be scared. Meow Meow, come here. It's okay, baby. You got like fucking 15 seconds to get over it. Because if not, I'm leaving. And then you have to wait till I get back. Meowie. Alright. I'll see you there, Meowie. Meowie, don't peek around the corner. Come here, it's okay. No, I wasn't even mad. I just fucking pissed off at my phone. I'm not even mad at my phone anymore. We're even. We're even Steven.
Windsock
Tell me about it. Anybody see the Facebook doc about this guy? Is it about me? Tell me about it. I want to hear about it. Does it say how wonderful I am? I'm pretty sure it must, right?
No.
Or are you talking about Christopher Bailey?
No. I'm talking about Daniel Solomon. I'm talking about Daniel Solomon and his threats to kill law enforcement, Deputy Ortiz, Lee, Deputy Kano, Ryan Walker. That's what it's talking about. It's also talking about how you broke into a home in Las Vegas and got radio encrypted. You haven't seen it yet? Dang. You must not be friends.
I don't see it being sooner than that. And this is something, I have to say this one more time. This is something that I keep saying, that I cannot stress enough. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, that's right on time, man. That's right on time. That's fine. Hi, how are you? Yeah. The part that I can't stress enough. There's so many parts that I can't stress enough. I'm sorry if I made you wait for that. But yeah, the part that I can't stress enough is how. I mean, don't get me wrong. Trust me, there's people that I fucking can't stand. It might only be one person in the world, but whatever.
Yeah, fuck you too, Daniel
People contact
Solomon.
me all the time and say, "Oh, this person's saying this person's doing that." And I say the same thing every fucking time. He has that right. It doesn't matter if he's telling the truth or if he's not. It doesn't matter.
I always tell the truth.
He wants. And it doesn't matter if I don't like it.
Always telling the truth about you.
The fact is, I'm going to tell you the fact.
You're the habitual liar. Look at getting the fireball tax.
I'm not going to say who I'm talking about.
We all know. Darth
There's
Vader.
No reason he shouldn't have 1 million subscribers, right? If he would have stayed focused and done, been true to Cop Watch, like, hi man, how are you? Good to see you.
Here we go.
Like so many of the, yeah, Ricky Monday, right? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. But look, so dude's only got like 10 subscribers and maybe 5 views on these videos, and all he does is talk about me. Just say whatever. He's trying to even say things, try to get the police to arrest me for, threatening them or whatever. Because sometimes I do unlawful shit. He'll capture it and he'll publish it and he tries to get me in trouble for it. But
you in trouble.
Make the point I'm trying to make.
Oh, I'm so hurt because they don't have the views.
After years of focusing on trying to make me look bad. What I'm thinking,
I have all the subscribers I need.
If he gets popular and gets 1 million subscribers on his channel, that's what I'm hoping for. Because then think about it. I'll have 100 million or 1 billion on mine and I'll be successful.
You'll be in prison.
So, even though I don't like what he says, I'm still rooting for him in the background, hoping he can find a bunch of other retards like himself to support him, and that way I could be successful. Because
you ain't successful. You're a fucking bum. You ride a bike around the same 13 blocks.
Someone said go get a job. I'm not sure who you're talking to, but I have to say I have the best job in the world.
You don't have a
I do
job.
whatever I want, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Look who's triggered.
And believe it or not, I pay my rent for doing that. So, I mean,
look who's
who can have a
triggered.
better job than I have?
It's all about the views, all about subscribers. I have plenty of subscribers. You don't know shit.
I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure whoever...
I'm maxed out on fucking Facebook, bitch.
Is saying go get a job. If you have one, that means you're working for somebody else.
He just assumes. He's so triggered. He probably thinks that's me.
That means
he's so paranoid. Go buy your fireball. Go buy your fucking fireball, you drunk.
That means you're
loser.
not doing something you're passionate about, and I'm sorry if you're not. Not everyone is lucky enough to do what they're passionate about every day.
You're
So I do
passionate
every
about
day.
staring at police
Every
cars.
day I do what I'm passionate about,
You're passionate
and
about
that's helping people. but
e-begging,
Not just help.
You're
It's not just
passionate
for that
about-
reason. I mean,
teaching
wasn't
fucking
into helping
dumbasses how to
people
get hurt
before-
by cops.
before this, events
ain't
ended up
shit,
the way they
bro.
were.
You ain't
At first,
shit.
it was just about helping myself and trying to retaliate against the police, but that was decades ago. Now I'm doing what I love to do every day, all day long.
Are you?
So-
Are you though?
I guess if someone wants to give me a job where I do what I want all day long and give me a check for it, I guess I'll take that job. But I'm pretty sure I already have it. YouTube don't call me and tell me what to do. They don't say, Dan, you overslept.
YouTube
Dan,
isn't
you're
a
up too
job.
Dan, you haven't uploaded the video all month. Dan, you've uploaded 10 videos today and all of them were shitty. YouTube doesn't ever call me and tell me what to do. It's up to me to regulate and make those decisions myself. So I hope that explains it, the thing about getting a job.
No, it doesn't. You don't have a job. You're a
I have
loser.
one.